this weather in the summer, like,
Yeah.
holy shit, this is fucking gorgeous. And if you want to go be hot on the beach, you can go be hot on the beach. 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, babe. I'm in love with the rainforest. Huh?
What?
I'm in love with the rainforest.
Me too. Emergency manners while in Puerto Rico. How pretty that is. And that, look at that. How it just kind of grows like long right here. That is so cool. Buy a small house, Airbnb it out, you know? When you're not here.
Mm-hmm. Obviously, this is not the way. I just want to look. Oh, this is like the adventurer's way. You know?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's the old people safe way.
That's what we're gonna take.
Yeah, of course. I have to do everything with my life.
I said, yeah, of course, I have to do everything with my life. Go on.
No, I have to make sure this is safe for you.
I love Plaza. Green Plaza.
I mean, it's running water. Is it a waterfall? Well, we're gonna find out. Hmm? You sure you want to go all the way down here? Right? Because it means walking back up.
Yeah.
in both directions.
Yeah.
Oh, there's people walking behind us. They're fine. Gotta answer that. Thank you.
Yeah, you can get on there.
Yeah, I'm sure people go down wherever they want, you know? It's not like it's like our park where everything's roped off and don't do this and don't do that. There's just probably a bigger like area down here why everybody congregates to it. You know? So look, another shortcut for the crazy people.
No, I
You don't think so?
don't think so.
You don't think?
No. That was a little too steep.
A little too steep.
Yeah.
Don't do anything.